Nakajima G10N Fugaku was a planned Japanese ultra-long-range heavy bomber designed during World War II. It was conceived as a method for mounting aerial attacks from Japan against industrial targets along the West Coast and in the Midwest and the Northeast of the United States. Japan's worsening war situation resulted in the project's cancellation in 1944, and no prototype was ever built. Design and development. The Fugaku had its origins in Project Z, Bomber Project, a 1942 Imperial Japanese Army specification for an intercontinental bomber which could take off from the Kuril Islands, bomb the contiguous United States, then continue onward to land in German-occupied France. Once there, it would be refueled and rearmed and make another return sortie. Project Z called for 3 variations on the airframe: heavy bomber, transport, capable of carrying 300 troops, and a gunship armed with 40 downward-firing machine guns in the fuselage for intense ground attacks at the rate of 640 rounds per second, i.e. 38,400 rounds per minute. The project was conceived by Nakajima Aircraft Company head Chikuhei Nakajima. The design had straight wings and contra-rotating 4-blade propellers. To save weight, some of the landing gear was to be jettisoned after takeoff, being unnecessary on landing with emptied bomb load, as had been planned on some of the more developed German America bomber competing designs. It used 6 engines, as with the later America bomber design competitors, to compensate for nearly all German aircraft engines being limited to 1,500 kilowatts, 2,000 horsepower, maximum output levels apiece. Development was initiated in January 1943 and a design and manufacturing facility built in Mitaka, Tokyo. Nakajima's 4-row 36-cylinder 5,000 horsepower Ha-54, Ha-505 engine was abandoned as too complex. Project Z was cancelled in July 1944, and the Fugaku was never built.